A motor-driven cycle is defined as having a motor size of less than A. 150 cubic centimeters, B. 200 cubic centimeters, C. 250 cubic centimeters. Answer A. 150 cubic centimeters. The maximum speed at which Class 2 electric bicycles can provide assistance is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Answer B. 20 miles per hour. Motorized bicycles or mopeds are not allowed to A. Exceed 30 miles per hour on level ground, B. Ride in bicycle lanes unless authorized, C. Operate on freeways and expressways. Answer C. Operate on freeways and expressways. What is the primary purpose of wearing a US DOT-compliant motorcycle safety helmet? A. To comply with legal requirements, B. To reduce the severity of head injuries, C. To protect against weather conditions. Answer B. To reduce the severity of head injuries. What type of protective apparel is highly suggested for motorcycle riders? A. Lightweight clothing for comfort, B. Reflective material and over-the-ankle boots, C. Casual attire with short sleeves. Answer B. Reflective material and over-the-ankle boots. To be effective, eye or face shield protection must A. Permit enough room for eyeglasses or sunglasses, B. Be tinted for better visibility, C. Be loose-fitting for comfort. Answer A. Permit enough room for eyeglasses or sunglasses. When is it advised not to wear tinted eye protection or tinted face shields? A. During the day in clear weather, B. At night or in low light conditions, C. When it is windy. Answer B. At night or in low light conditions. According to CVC Section 27400, when is it permissible to wear a headset covering earplugs or earphones in both ears? A. When these are designed to reduce harmful noise levels, B. At all times for comfort, C. Under no circumstances. Answer A. When these are designed to reduce harmful noise levels. What type of environmental element can cause hearing loss, against which ear protection may be used? A. Sunlight, B. Rain, C. Wind. Answer C. Wind. What is an important feature of over-the-ankle boots or closed-toe shoes for motorcycle riders? A. High and sturdy enough to cover and support the ankles, B. Bright colors for visibility, C. Long laces for style. Answer A. High and sturdy enough to cover and support the ankles. What should you do before every ride to ensure motorcycle safety? A. Check the motorcycle, B. Plan your route, C. Fill up the fuel tank. Answer A. Check the motorcycle. How often should you check the motorcycle's hydraulic fluid and coolant? A. Daily, B. Weekly, C. Monthly. Answer B. Weekly. How should you position your arms when riding a motorcycle? A. Arms fully extended, B. Arms slightly bent, C. Arms relaxed at your sides. Answer B. Arms slightly bent. What is the correct position for your feet when riding a motorcycle? A. Dragging along the road, B. Pointing outward for balance, C. Firmly on the footrests. Answer C. Firmly on the footrests. Why should you start with your right wrist flat when holding the handle grips? A. To prevent accidental excessive use of the throttle, B. For better grip on the handlebars, C. To reduce the risk of wrist fatigue. Answer A. To prevent accidental excessive use of the throttle. Why is it important to learn to use gears when downshifting, turning, or starting on hills? A. To maintain the motorcycle's speed. B. For safe motorcycle operation. C. To improve fuel efficiency. Answer: B. For safe motorcycle operation. What can happen if you shift into a lower gear too quickly? A. The motorcycle will gain speed rapidly. B. The motorcycle will automatically stop. C. The motorcycle will lurch and the rear wheel may skid. Answer: C. The motorcycle will lurch and the rear wheel may skid. Why should you use both brakes every time you slow or stop? A. To balance the motorcycle. B. To save wear on the tires. C. To develop the proper habit and skill for emergency situations. Answer: C. To develop the proper habit and skill for emergency situations. How much of the total stopping power is provided by the front brake? A. About 1/4. B. About half. C. About 3/4. Answer: C. About 3/4. What can happen if you grab at the front brake or jam down on the rear brake? A. The brakes may lock and cause control problems. B. The motorcycle will stop more quickly. C. It will use less fuel. Answer: A. The brakes may lock and cause control problems. What should you be cautious of when using the front brake on a slippery surface? A. Making loud noises. B. Gently squeezing the brake lever. C. Grabbing the brake lever. Answer: C. Grabbing the brake lever. What is a common mistake riders make when approaching curves or turns? A. Taking them too fast. B. Stopping completely. C. Using only one brake. Answer: A. Taking them too fast. In which situation should the rider keep their body straight and only lean the motorcycle? A. In high-speed turns. B. In normal turns. C. In slow, tight turns. Answer: C. In slow, tight turns. How does riding within the friction zone help during a turn? A. It increases the motorcycle's speed. B. It gives more control through the turn. C. It reduces the need for braking. Answer: B. It gives more control through the turn. What is a good practice for improving U-turn skills? A. Riding in figure-8 patterns in an empty open parking lot. B. Riding at high speeds on highways. C. Avoiding U-turns altogether. Answer: A. Riding in figure-8 patterns in an empty open parking lot. What should your lane position as a motorcycle rider do? A. Increase your ability to see and be seen. B. Allow you to drive faster. C. Enable you to disregard traffic rules. Answer: A. Increase your ability to see and be seen. What is the usual width of the oily strip in the center portion of the lane? A. More than 3 feet wide. B. No more than 2 feet wide. C. Exactly 4 feet wide. Answer: B. No more than 2 feet wide. When is it permissible to cross double parallel lines in a carpool lane? A. At any time when traffic is slow. B. Only at designated entry or exit places. C. Whenever you need to exit the freeway. Answer: B. Only at designated entry or exit places. What is another name for carpool lanes? A. Express lanes. B. Toll lanes. C. High occupancy vehicle, HOV, lanes. Answer: C. High occupancy vehicle, HOV, lanes. Are motorcyclists allowed to use carpool or HOV lanes? A. Yes, unless otherwise posted. B. No, they are not allowed. C. Only during off-peak hours. Answer: A. Yes, unless otherwise posted.